This is one of the former San Diego Trolley cars we're aboard now. This is number 1008B. 1008A is just ahead of us. And here we go.
If we're going backwards, wait, does it go that way? Mommy, does it go that way if we're going backwards?
There's a powwow up there, buddy.
Yeah, they are.
On that Orange County line at 5 o'clock in the morning, so everybody's having we're 8 hours in an office. We're crossing the line now. Look at that.
Yep.
Is it Metrolink that had that kind of thing?
Yeah, Metrolink had one too. Yeah, just like that. Shake, rattle, and roll.
Everybody smile back there. What's my thumb doing? Did you ever wonder why that was the best picture?
Yep. Thank you. Thank you, Richard. Send me a copy of that, would you?
It's your $1.
Okay. $1 a minute?
I don't even have a dollar to do that.
Gentlemen, just want to welcome you to Orange Empire Railway Museum and aboard our San Diego number 1008, which is probably the most modern car in our fleet. Still being used, well, they aren't using exactly these in San Diego anymore. We got a generous donation from the from the city of San Diego Metropolitan Transit System for this car. Now, the other car we're carrying, the 1003, just behind it, that just arrived on the property on Wednesday. That's by far our newest car out here. They're our first air-conditioned cars, which was really nice in the summer, although it does blow the socks off the electric bill, we found out. These air conditioners could cool a Costco if they had to.
Yeah, I believe it.
Yeah. So we're on the main line right now. This is as close to Los Angeles as we're going to get. We have already secured the trackage rights, and we've had the Metrolink station up in Paris built so that it has a pocket track that will be able to go all the way up into Paris, up to 4th Street, and right into the Metrolink station. What we're missing are 3 blocks of trackage in between, which if you've noticed around the property, you see track piled up. It looks like Lionel train track, and that's in readiness for going in here as soon as some engineering and drainage work is finished up here. If anybody's interested in joining us, we are an all-volunteer group, a 501c3 nonprofit corporation. We've been around since 1956, and membership is welcome, and you will get the opportunity not only to be part of the railroad, but if you'd like to learn how to work on it, run it, and be part of the group.
The RDC, when's that going to be shut?
Pardon?
The RDC, when is that going to stay up there?
That's supposed to, I understand that ARS lost their, or is in the process of losing their
lease over there.
their piece of land over there. So I can't tell you when. I thought it was going to arrive in 2017, but I know some of this stuff is left already. A couple of cars ended up at the Fullerton Museum.
Oh, okay.
And they're keeping one. I don't know where they're going to keep it. They're shores. But the RDC is part of LA's transit district.
We're going back.
That's going to be out here. Not wrong, but very historical.
Yeah. They're in a wreck.
I don't think he's tapping on the PA, but he's not really saying.
No, it's electrical relays.
Yeah. See, there's no wire on this one. Wait a minute.
Yeah. There's a pantograph up there. Say hi, Richard.
Hey, ladies and gentlemen. Looky here, Louie.
$1 a minute. $1 a minute.
Yeah. I can tell you a story about this.
Okay.
Look out the window here.
Okay.
Take a looky here, Michael. Looky here. Yeah. Matter of fact, I did go down to Chapman College and checked out that whole archive.
Pretty good, huh?
They wouldn't let me into the room with all the videos and all the stuff, but locked behind a combination locked door.
Well, I figured that.
Yeah, down there in the basement in Orange, California. I guess I have some railroad homework to do.
Yeah, you do.
Got about 3 things.
Huh?
I don't think I time management very well. All that rock, it's kind of aggressive. And they do all those storage bins.
I don't know what they're going to do with them, really. Some kind of recycling
That's
compound.
exactly what they're doing.
Well, it's a recycling place, I know that.
Brand new.
What they recycle, I don't know.
Like I said, you can just take one of those and move into it. I don't know. Lights are under the place. I think.
That was the boatyard. Still is.
Yeah, look at that. Even they sit in their yard for a bit.
Yeah, they do.
We're gonna get out there and sit. It's an open field. You can tell it's an open field.
Because it looks just like
Like
an open field.
on the left. Hey, the rapid train.
Transit. Here we come back into the museum.
Yep, we have just passed the line.
Oil Junction.
The Ola Junction.
Now we're coming into the pie yard.
This thing's moving a little faster than the other.
Yeah.
I'm actually like a
Cool to see what's inside some of those cars. They're
Oh,
all locked up.
that's it.
Now, let's probably sit out here another 1,000 years. And
Probably.
I don't know. There would have to be like 1,000 members
Yeah.
out here.
Just passing Cottonwood
This is Cottonwood.
and the Grizzly Flats Railroad.
It's not.
Yeah. Not a rail. What is that railroad? They close up the middle of the museum.
Probably.
What a rail? Are you kidding me?
Maybe not. I don't know. I have to check when you get up here.
See if is the flag still out? Yep, somebody's still up there. Good, you can take a walk there. I don't know if you want to make it up those steps.
Stay here, Benny, for the next trip.
PCC 3001. That's the car that Shirley Temple unveiled in Los Angeles with Mayor Shaw back in the
Is it a
1930s.
PCC card?
It's a PCC.
That's the yellow one. 3011. I mean 3001.
3001.
All door, you can exit by all doors. You just press the button next to the door.
What is
There's the yard office.
Yep, and
There's the
I do.
That's what's really convenient about it.
no
As long as you're on the station, you have to go on the station side.
Haven't stopped.
Okay. See if there's the red blocks there.